So check out this scooter that you can get right now with a 500-watt motor, 25-mile range, and a quality build. This is a great scooter for anyone commuting to work or school, or just some leisure rides around town. There are some more features and some downsides, so let's get right to it.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. I'd love to share with you cool gear that comes my way, and if you're new here, don't be a stranger. And I'll put the links to everything down in the description so you can find it down there nice and easily. Now, here's the deal. I'm actually in Las Vegas for an e-skate conference, and I wanted to share the scooter with you because it's actually been great for Emma to ride it on some of the group rides. She's more comfortable on a scooter than a skateboard. Plus, my dad was able to ride it on the big ride downtown, and he loves the scoots, and he'll tell you his thoughts on this thing later on in the video. But even for Emma, when we did the ride around the Red Rocks, which is like a big ride and a lot of hills, she did great. I mean, it did struggle on some of those steep hills, but she was able to make it and had no problems, especially with the battery. And that was actually really impressive. Design-wise, it's pretty basic and standard for beginner scooter, perfect for commuting to work or school. It has an easy fold system where you just lift this thing up and you pop it open. It weighs about 40 pounds, so you can easily pick it up and put it in your car. The handlebars are equipped with the power button, throttle, LED display for speed, battery life, and other info. You have a control pad for changing speed modes, turning on the big light and also the blue lights around the bottom of the deck, as well as cruise control. There's a handbrake with a dual braking system, including electronic anti-lock brake, and the handlebars are very comfortable to hold for long rides. There are 10-inch anti-puncture rubber tires and rear shock absorbing system that can hold a maximum rider weight of 300 pounds. And also an aluminum alloy body for a strong build and a solid deck with grip on it for a more comfortable ride for your feet. This thing also packs a punch with a 500-watt brushless hub motor and a 819-watt peak with a 48-volt battery, giving you a long range of 25 miles between charges and a top speed of 20 miles per hour, which is all conditional to rider weight and optimal conditions of the terrain and all that stuff. So in testing these on all types of rides, the battery never came close to being empty. After that 13-mile ride around Red Rocks with hills and things like that, it was only half empty by the end of it, so that's awesome. The only downside that I could see to this is it doesn't have amazing suspension. I mean, yes, it has the rear shock absorbing, but on bumpy surfaces, you really feel those bumps. But if it's smooth concrete or even just a little bit rough, it's perfect, it's fine, you'll love it. And for that price, I think you can handle some bumps. Now, my 70-year-old dad got to ride this thing a few times on some long rides, and he's here right now. We're gonna ask him what he thinks of it. All right, Dad, what did you think of this?
Hey, I rode on it for 9 miles down the strip, on sidewalks, on back roads, over bumps and curbs, and I really felt like, yeah, you know what, you might feel a little bit of the bumps, but overall, I felt like it was very solid, secure feeling. I was riding with 600 people, so this was easy to hold your line. It wasn't wobbling around, and I had plenty of speed when I needed it, and plenty of get up and go. If there was anything I would complain about, it would be nothing, actually, for the price. It's incredible.
Having fun, Dad?
Having fun!
So, I mean, that's a pretty good endorsement. He loves to scoot. So there you have it. It's actually a really nice ride. And also, this is a great city to ride around. So check out the link in the description because it might even be cheaper and there might be a coupon to save you some more money. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. We're gonna go on some fun rides around Vegas. There's the Sphere right there, and we're gonna go in that as well. So a lot of cool stuff happening on this channel, so stay tuned. And also, if you wanna see another really cool gadget, you can click and watch this video right here, and I'll see you there.